Okay, guys. We did cover the SQL, email, and DDL commands, and we are finished with that. So, do you guys have any questions from first day till yesterday? Any point you didn't got, you didn't understand, especially specifically in SQL? Yeah, Fazal, what's your issue? Can you talk louder? I didn't got you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. I have a small issue. I was working on the assignment from Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
My screen for a second.
Yeah, let me allow you. Yeah, Sonia, one by one, I will check your problems. Then we will go for the lecture. Let me allow you first of all. Okay, Fazil, go ahead.
I worked on this assignment today again. It worked this morning, but now when I'm doing it, I created a new database and then used it and created a table. And when I'm inserting all these details, it gives me this data truncated for column birthday, April 1. I couldn't figure it out. What's the issue?
Okay, let me check. Data trunk for column, but data row one. Okay, can you do one thing? Go to line number 4 and write down describe what? Describe the table account.
Oh.
Okay, now the error says data truncate for column, birth date. Okay, birth date. Now do one thing, hit the enter. Now select start from account. Right down, select start from account. Run it. Okay, you don't have any data. Now for birth date, you do one thing. Now let me check your values. Okay, you place the birth date in 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the type of a date is okay. Look, Fazal, you took the type of data type of birth date as an integer. You need to take that as a date. Then it will work. Yeah, then it will work. You need to take that. Now for that, you study yesterday, alter command. Now hit the enter button. Hit the enter button. I will guide you. Write down alter table. Now, which table account? Great job. Now you're doing modification. No. Do not add anything. You're doing already existed field. Modification. Okay, modify column. Now give the name of the column. Birth date. Give a space. Birth date. Write down birth date. Okay. Now give a space. Now change it to date. Yeah, put a semicolon. Run it. Now describe it again. So I'll run line number, run line number 4. You have already write it down, so no need for writing it. Just write, yeah. Now you can see that your birth date is date. Get a date data type. Now come again and insert that query. Come at the end of line, execute it. Now go ahead and run it again. Select star from amount account. Yeah, great job. Select star from account. Now you can see that you have successfully entered your data.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. I did put that this morning. Now I realized where. Yeah, so I did put that and now I put integer. Thank you.
Yeah. Data type is so much important, guys. All the time, just try to read the error first of all in message box. See what is the error. Then after that, go ahead and proceed the execution. Okay. Let me now check the chat box. Okay, Sonia, go ahead. What's your issue? Sonia, am I audible?
Hi everyone. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me what's your issue?
You remember yesterday I told you my SQL work was just stuck and I uninstalled it.
Okay.
So I didn't find the solution up to that place. So I just reinstall it back. So I'm that point. If you want, I can share my screen.
Sonia, did you watch the MySQL for macOS installation on Google?
Yes.
Okay. Did you follow the same sequence which they had?
Yeah, but I did all of them, but the route that we have to put the password doesn't work.
Okay. Just do one thing. Share your screen. Let's check what's the issue.
Okay. Let me just share.
Okay. Wait a second. You're now installing it from the beginning. Am I right, Sonia?
Yeah. So we will select custom, right?
Great. Click on custom. Now next. Go slowly, okay? Do not do anything until I give you instruction. Now press on the first plus icon for MySQL Server. Yeah, click on that again. Now click on third one again. Now select this. Now here the green button is activated, so press it. Green button. Great job. Now come and click on the plus application sign. Now click on MySQL Workbench. Yeah. Click it again on Workbench. Now select the Workbench and drag, hit that green button. Great job. Now do for the MySQL shell again. Do it for MySQL shell. Yeah, great job. Select. Click on that. Till this point, you're good to go, Sonia. Now you don't need to install any extra plugin. For that, click on next.
Okay, I did these two yesterday also, my QSL router.
Okay, it's okay, no worries, you will see it. Now click. Now your duty is what it says that install directory is this, data directory is this, the selected part is already exist. Okay. Before installing this, Sonia, do one thing, just click on back button. Click on back button. Yeah. Now minimize the screen, go to your control panel of your computer. Open control panel. Now click on program, last one. Yeah, click on that. Now program and feature, first option. Program and feature. Now just maximize the screen so that I can see all of the softwares, maximize it. Now in here, just Sonia, find out MySQL Workbench or MySQL installer and just do one thing, uninstall it, okay? Yeah, MySQL install community, click on that and uninstall it. Now let's see whether we have any MySQL again. So we don't have, so minimize the screen. Go ahead and open that MySQL which we minimize. Yeah, right side, come to the right side. Come to the right side, you already opened it, Sonia. It's in your taskbar. Yeah, click on that. Great. Now click on next button again. Okay, the path is already, save the path is already selected. Path conflict. Data directory, install directory. Okay, 2 warnings. You can use the same folder or change it to a new one. Take in mind that the install process can override the folder of already exists. Okay, click on next. No worries, it will override it. You still have warning with your selected part. Or do you want to continue? Okay, yes, click on yes. Now click on execute. What does it say?
It's secure.
The following product will be installed. Wait a second, click on try again. Why it says like this? Click on show detail. Click on show detail button, Sonia. Download the product message service. Okay. Hide the details. Okay, do one thing, cancel this process. Yes. Do one thing, run again, run the installer again. Go ahead and double click on installer, find the where did you download it? No. You don't need to uninstall it again. Go ahead and find the installer which you downloaded.
So
Section, go to your download section folder. It is next to the Zoom. Yeah, right here. Click on that. Click on download section. Now click on MySQL community. Click on that. Wait a second. Let's check. Click on custom. Then next. This is the process.
yeah.
Yeah, same process, do it. Now click on next. Now wait a second, Sonia, do not click on next button. Okay, the selected part says already exist. And just do one thing. Change the folder and directories for MySQL. Just click on that arrow, below arrow button, curve arrow. Can you see the curve arrow? Yeah.
This one?
No, yeah, click on that. Now scroll a little bit down, Sonia. Let me see how many folders you have. Can you click on and can you expand this PC section? Can you expand it? You just expand this. No, this PC. Okay, wait a second. I will send you a request. Just
Okay.
Thank you. Just approve it once more, Sonia. I don't know why it's not working. I can't click anywhere.
I don't know. I just did approve.
Okay, Sonia, can you see this PC section? Under
Yes.
the video? Yeah. Beside that, we have. Yeah, I got it now. Wait a second.
Okay.
I got it. Okay, it takes a lot of time from me. Just do one thing, click on that expandable button beside this PC, which is like an arrow greater than sign.
This one? The libraries?
No. This PC, beside this PC, you have one, yeah, beside this PC. Did you click? Yeah, scroll it a little bit down. Now, great job. Scroll it. Scroll. I guess you only installed, you configured one folder structure. You didn't partition the drives. Okay. Cancel this. We got 2 warnings. What should we do with this? Sonia, just do one thing. Copy the warning. You can use the same folders.
You mean this line?
Yeah, let me give you the control back. Wait a sec. Okay, you can use the same folder or change it to the new one. So this is gonna right. Okay, click on next. Let's check. Yes. Now click on execute. Click on execute.
Okay, it's working now.
Yeah, wait a second.
Finally. I'm sorry for the others to wait.
It's okay. It's actually a good review for all of us. I mean, at least for me.
Yeah, perhaps today we were looking from the starting date till yesterday. So I didn't consider installation, but fortunately, Sonia got the installation point as well. Minimize this, Sonia. Yeah, now click on next. Now then click on next. Uninstall. What is it? Exception has occurred in your application. If you click continue, the application will ignore the error and attempt to continue. Application will close in the object returns the output. Click on continue. It says like this. Click on next. Now do one thing, Sonia. Just remove that tick mark from my MySQL shell setup. Can you see two blue tick buttons under the copy log to clipboard? No, not right. Yeah, and no, do not click on any of that. Do not click, Sonia. Just remove that selected section. Start MySQL shell after setup. Start, yeah. Click on that, yeah. Uncheck it. Yeah, great job. Now click on finish button. Okay, now click on MySQL root. Here you are, Sonia. Now.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. You don't, okay. Server says stop. No connection established. Okay, do one thing, click on databases. It's not yet installed. Click on databases above on the menu section.
Here?
But the file, no. Menu section, file, edit, view, query, database.
Okay.
Click on database. Click on database. No, click on database. Sonia, come to the left side.
Okay, here database.
Yeah. Connect database. Okay, it says you don't have any database, so cancel this. Let's create one connection. Click again on that database.
The database?
Yeah, click on data. Manage connection. Click on manage connection. Now right here, it's standard. Now name the connection above section for empty. Just name it anything. AlgoSoft, student one, anything you can name it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now wait a second. Send a TCP/IP. Password will be root and stored in wallet. Okay. Now test the connection. Click on test connection. Failed connect to MySQL with the user root. Unable to connect to localhost. Why it says? Because your port number is already preserved. Click on OK. Now do one thing. Just can you see the port number? It's written down alongside the host name. No. Belong. Yeah, beside the host name. Yeah, this changes to it's 06 to make it 0. No, not this one. Beside that, to the right one. Just make it instead of 6, 8. Just make it 8. Remove 6.
So
no, remove 6. 8.
Okay.
Now test the connection. Let's see. Okay, it says the problem is with the local host. I guess, Sonia, you didn't find out the right one version, I guess. So do one thing, go to your browser section again. Just do one thing, close this all. Close this MySQL and then go to my control panel and install it. Go to your control panel and install it. One feature. Install all of the MySQL, which you can see says uninstall one by one. Yeah, install the next one. Go ahead with the next one. It seems that I didn't install the server version. And you have also problem with your connection as well, because I don't see a good signal of Wi-Fi in your computer. The bandwidth is not stable. That's why it couldn't.
I don't know.
That's why I couldn't.
Maybe
install
that's
the
why
MySQL server.
it's not work well. The
Yeah, because I
database, the
didn't install the MySQL server. That's why. Yeah, let's wait for 0 second. Let's finish this installation. Okay, go ahead and install MySQL shell. Okay, wait. Installation is in process. And installation is in process. Say it, okay? Wait a second. Yeah, now install the workbench as well. Yeah, let me check. There might be some other software installed and block your drive. Port number 03306. Okay, just close this. Go to your browser and type for MySQL download. Go to your browser, type for MySQL download. Click on the first link. I'll scroll it a little bit down. Click on this MySQL community GPE download. Now come for install download for MySQL install for Windows. Now download the second one, which has size of 400. Yeah, this one. Click on download. No thanks, just start download. I download. Let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Till it's downloading, Sonia. Stop your sharing. Once it's downloaded, just tell me that and reshare your screen again. Till that point, I will see others' problems. So anyone else for facing any problem? Yeah, just whenever the download is complete, just tell me. Okay, Sonia? Okay. Anyone else?
Hello to everyone. Yeah, Mr. Furqan, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Is that any different between update a table and alter a table? Is it different between those two?
Yeah, there's a big difference. With the alter command, you can modify the structure of your table. With the update command, you can only change the value which is already existed in your table. We have two sections, one schema section, structure of the table, and one is the data which we are putting inside the table. So with the help of update, you are just changing that data which you have already stored inside your table. But with the help of alter command, you're just only doing what? You're just only changing or modifying the structure of the table. This is the difference.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Anyone else? Okay, guys. Let me share my screen. So now I'll come back to you again, okay? Just let me first of all pass this little bit of practice section. Now, guys, we are on the Amazon web page. If you can see, guys, my screen clearly. Now we are on the Amazon main page. Now for this, we can see there are multiples of items. You can see that we have lots of pictures. So the question will arise in your mind that these sorts of information come from where? They are come from the main server, main databases of the Amazon, which is located in different regions in different countries. Now, as of now, I'm using it. I'm accessing this Amazon web page from Afghanistan. So if you can see that here is right, it is written for me Afghanistan. I don't think so. Amazon has any delivery to Afghanistan, but it tracked my IPs, so it gives me that this delivery will be to Afghanistan. Okay, now let's create a scenario for us. First of all, if you can see, we have an all button right here. Just click on that and come to the any one shop by department. Select any one of the fields: computer, electronics, smart home. So I will go for computers. If I click on computers, you can see that here I have lists of components which is attached with the computer, like computer accessory and peripherals, computer components, computer and tablets, data storage, external components, laptop accessories, monitors, networking products, power strip, tester, printer, and etc. These are the components which is attached with the computer. Now our scenario, what it says that I will create one scenario for us. Let me open the notepad. In Notepad, I will do what? First of all, let's create a database, name it Amazon. Guys, just first of all, see it, do not create anything, okay? Just first of all, watch what I'm doing. Create a database, name it Amazon. Later on, inside Amazon database, just create one table, name it computer. Now inside computer, you can see that I have bunch of items alongside with the computer. Now, what do you get? So in computer table fields, which kind of data I need to store? So let's assume that. First of all, each item has an ID, unique ID, that will be primary key. So that is very important and it's a must for each table. So I will put a star. So I will put an ID. You can use product ID. Next, I have what? I have product name. Product underscore, give the name. Next, you have what? Next, let's make it divide it into categories. Product category, product underscore category. Put a star slash. Now, after the product category, we had ID, name, category. Now, product has a different price. Product price. Product underscore price. Now we are analyzing the tables behind the Amazon databases. Okay, product price. It is okay. As of now, I got this much of information. Okay, now let me click on one of these components or category. Let's click on computer and tablets. If you can see inside computer and tablets, I have price section. That's totally fine. I have what in left hand side, I can do the filtration. Like I can sketch up gaming as these are the prices. These are the brands. Below that we have prices. So if I scroll it down, do we have anything extra right here, guys? Okay, we had a product name. We have a picture of that as well. Product underscore image. Next, what we have, okay, we had product ID, product name, category, product price, product image. And what will be next for us? Let's give the product underscore rating. Next field we have, okay, these are the information which we need to create a field for that, because these are the dynamic storage. So for that, we need to update everything. You can see that we have a review or storage right here. Okay, we got one another section. If you click on the product, let me click on this product. You can see that it might have a review again also. If I scroll a little bit down, let's see whether this product has a review or not. Yeah, it doesn't have any review, I guess. Yeah, reviews right here. So for review, I need to create one more field also. Let me bring to top. Product underscore review. Now, next one is I need this much of information for my computer. What? For my computer table inside Amazon database. Now your duty is to do what? Open my SQL workbench. Just watch and follow step by step whatever tasks I give you. Now I will create first of all this information. Now for this time, you do what? I will pass this Control-C in your chat box. Just create a database Amazon for me and create a table, name it computer, and add these IDs. Now you know that which type of data types you need to add with these fields. So do it right now. Start working on that. I'll pause the recording. Now, guys, you have to do it. Now you have created the table and database. After that, if you go to all of you, just go to your browser, click on all computers, and see what kind of data you have in category. Just first of all, write down these categories inside what? These categories inside one of your notepad, write it down. It's your task. just for as of now, just check the one value, one category, like go for computer components only. Just take the computer components category. When you click on that, on the computer component, you can see that how many products you have. Just take the name of these products and enter with the price and their rating inside the database, but category will be computer component. Just insert the records. I need you guys to insert 30 records, or you can insert 20 records. 30 record is enough because we want to play a little bit with the data. Insert a 30 record. Just go ahead, search for Amazon and get the name of each components and try to insert it inside your date tables. And I don't want any field to be empty. All of the field must be full with these datas. Insert 30 records. I'll stop the recording again.